Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 497. Before we begin, let's show the time here in local Ontario, Toronto, Ontario. We hit refresh. It is now 10:34 p.m. my friends. That means we are 3 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold at 10:31. Now if you're brand new, please pay attention for the next few minutes as I explain how it works. Everybody else, please feel free to fast forward to the break. But we're going to go over how it works, okay? This ended Monday, May 9th. It is for one box of Series 1 retail. Let me stick a T in there. And I bought a case of 20, and this happens to be box number 1. All right, we're going to go through every single box. Box 2 goes on later tonight, and 3 and 4 go tomorrow night. We're doing 2 a night for the next couple of weeks to get out of the 20. The serial number you see there, if you open up your description of the team that you won, not only you'll see how it works, but you also see this serial number listed there. It also lists box 1 of 20 there. So before we open up the box, we're going to show that same serial number so you know we're opening the box we said we would. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If you don't, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Now let's go over the rules really quickly. Let's use Anto Bata as an example. He's a good guy, and he's been with me for a while. In this box break, he owns the Stars, the Senators, and the Vegas Golden Knights. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Generally, with retail, there's a few dead packs. We'll see how that works out, but there's going to be approximately 20 hits that are going to get mailed out. If there are any Dallas, Ottawa, or Vegas cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Anto Bata to his shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event, however, let's say there are no Vegas Golden Knight cards in the break, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Anto Bata for Vegas because there was nothing to mail. Base cards do not ship. I know he paid 50 cents per team, but that is a small collection from everybody for the cost of going up of packaging, top loaders, and product. And there's so many cards to go with retail and postage. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Anto Bata has the Stars, the Senators, and the Knights. Shahan has the Predators. Collector's Craze has the Red Wings. Flyers Fan Red has the Coyotes. GRLO has the Blackhawks, the Devils, and the Penguins. Hockey MC has the Avalanche and the Kings. Hosh has the Wild, the Blues, and the Capitals. JN Paul has the Oilers and the Rangers. JPJ has the Lightning. Sergeant B, Ducks, Sabres, and Canadians. Shazam has the Bruins. Super Pop has Florida and the San Jose Sharks. Wall Cran has the Hurricanes, the Jackets, the Islanders, the Flyers, the Leafs, and the Vancouver Canucks. And rounding us out, WP96 has the Flames and the Jets. Seattle not available until Series 2. All right, let's remember that serial number, 826376. As I bring you guys over to the webcam, I just want to make sure we're all systems go here. We are. And as always, we're going to show that serial number before we even start. Oh, I thought it was, there we go. 826376. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Just going to bring it back over here. And save. And we're ready to go. All right. Box 1 of 20. There's a few hits in retail that did not exist in hobby, and there's a few hits that do not exist in retail. But it's still a fun product and an easy way to accumulate Young Guns and some subsets that you wanted to collect. First pack. We start off with a Young Gun. Not bad. Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen for your Buffalo Sabres. Right off the top. Congratulations, Buffalo. Way to get us started. Back-to-back Young Guns. Tero Roninen for the Rangers, who took a beating today from the Pittsburgh Penguins. I think it was 7-2 or 7-3. Congratulations to the Rangers. Wouldn't it be nice if every pack had a Young Gun? I'd be really happy for you guys. But very rarely does Upper Deck make a mistake. Here's one of those retail hits that was not in hobby. A orange Dazzler for Jacob Churchin for your Arizona Coyotes. Congratulations, Arizona. Oh, the pack was tough to open. Back-to-back orange Dazzlers. This time, Jack Hughes for your New Jersey Devils. Upper Deck portraits of Anthony Mantha and your Washington Caps, who lost a heartbreaker in overtime tonight. Florida tied it up late and won early in overtime. Now the Dallas-Calgary game's on. It's in intermission after one. I believe it's 0-0. Young Guns, Jamie Drysdale for Anaheim Ducks. Pretty good. Congratulations, Anaheim. Young Guns, Alex Barboulay for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. Oh, right out of focus here. There we go. Upper Deck canvas of Capo Kakinen and your Minnesota Wild. Very nice card. Upper Deck canvas, Connor Hellebuck of your Winnipeg Jets. Back-to-back canvas goalies. We have the electromagnetic Alex DeBrincat for your Chicago Blackhawks. Upper Deck portraits, Sidney Crosby for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Not bad. Congratulations, Pittsburgh. Doesn't like the portrait cards. Can't focus in on them. Loses focus when we do Pittsburgh. Here's our 100% Matthew Tkachuk for your Calgary Flames. Congratulations, Calgary. Just going to hit the cursor here so we don't time out. Young Guns, not bad. Matthias Samuelsson for your Buffalo Sabres. And we lost focus again. Let me get back here. There we go. Upper Deck canvas, Brady Tkachuk for your Ottawa Senators. Jack Hughes, honor roll, superstar for your New Jersey Devils. Lost focus here. There we go. Still quite a few packs to go. And it looks like they've done retail. And this pack is almost impossible to open. Not sure what it's held by. And it looks like there's a hit in every pack, so no dead packs. Over to canvas, Mikael Backlund for your Calgary Flames. I like that third jersey of theirs. There's our Blue Dazzler, Alex DeBrincat for your Chicago Blackhawks. Young Guns Canvas. Not bad. Cole Lind for your Vancouver Canucks. Still get bangers in here. Congratulations to Vancouver. Nice hit. Happy for you guys. They're a little harder to hit in retail, but that is a nice hit. We have a Arthur Kalev for your LA Kings. Debut dates. Rocking the old school Marcel Dion jersey. Young Guns for your Colorado Avalanche, Keaton Middleton. Congratulations, Colorado. Lost focus here. There we go. Still 4 packs to go. And as always, we will sign off with the time and show who owns the last hit. Austin Matthews, honor roll for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Lost focus. Still out of focus. There we go. Debut dates, Kirill Kaprizov for your Minnesota Wild. Electromagnetic, Nikolai Ehlers for your Winnipeg Jets. And our final hit. Final pack. Pretty good box, I must say. Good way to start off. We end with a rookie retrospective of Gabe Vilardi and your LA Kings. So we will show who owns the LA Kings, and we will sign off with the time. Let me just back to the screen. Let's find LA. Hockey MC3 owns that last hit. And as always, we sign off the time here in Toronto. Just hit refresh so it updates. It is now 10:47 p.m., my friends. We're all done. I'm hoping to see you guys for boxes 3 and 4 of this pretty good retail product. Take care.